be able to personalize the interior lighting color in your Lincoln. In fact, you can set the perfect driving mood by choosing from several different color choices to light up spaces like your footwells, cup holders, front door handles, and more. Let me explain. To change your ambient lighting color, from your My Lincoln touchscreen, press the settings icon, vehicle, then ambient lighting. When the colored bubbles appear on the screen, simply touch the color you want and the lighting will automatically change. Use the scroll bar to increase or decrease the color intensity and turn it on or off by pressing the power button on the screen. We hope we've answered your questions. For more information, please visit lincolnowner.com.